know I don't really go live a lot. So I just did something for the dancehall divas of the world. Heather, big up yourself. It was excellent. We did a Zoom connection reunion slash. Shibata will be on soon. Yes, Shibata will be on doing the dancehall divas reunion party, and just have a great time. All right. So again, thank you for the support. Thank you all for the support. Thank you for the support. In my sweet potato pudding, and of course, you order it through Dancehall Queen CARLENE on Instagram, and it's Al 876, and I'll give you the numbers for your orders to get it shipped, payment method, and everything, how you get it. All right, Chrissy David, Chrissy, hi Crystal. All right, so I just want to thank everybody for the support. I am very pleased with how it's going. I just have a little issue. Auntie Donna, big up Auntie Donna. She posted my pudding on her page, her website, I'm not even sure. And some of her followers, she says women power, empower each other, support each other. I've been doing my pudding from 2017 publicly, but I've been doing this from I'm a teenager, making it for my dad and my family and friends. And the pandemic chooses us to do other things than what we're accustomed to doing. And I chose to, based on the orders that I kept getting and the requests from family and friends, to do it. 2017, I was at Outside Dancehall with my pudding, selling it, and there was no complaint. Some of the followers of Auntie Donna chose to disrespect me. I don't know them. They don't know me. You can't see a public figure and assume you know who these people are. We still have a private life, and guys, I'm a person. I'm not thin-skinned or anything, because 28 years I've been in the public eye, so I can stand whatever you give to me. But I would truly appreciate it if you do not come in my DM or on my Instagram page to discuss who I'm following. The world is at large. The cake is big enough for each of us to have a slice, and have a successful slice. And I don't see why it should be a problem. If I was following Auntie Donna, that's a good step, because she is a progressive, successful businesswoman and a humanitarian who looks out for people. So I think if I am following her, I would be doing a great job. All right. So I just want to say to the player haters, because that's what I'm going to call you guys, if you taste my pudding and you don't like it, that's okay. But if you've never had it and you choose to bash it, I think that's player hating. All right. I'm not the kind to break human beings down, people down on a whole. I do not go out of my way to maliciously hurt people's feelings for no reason. It's not free, so you have a choice. Just like when you go to the supermarket, there's 8 different brand breads on the same shelf, and you have the choice to choose. So anybody who's buying pudding have a choice. You could choose whichever pudding you want. And Auntie Donna is not the first, neither am I. There was sweet potato pudding, that's from our ancestors, that from slavery we're making sweet potato puddings and celebrating it as part of our Jamaicanness and Jamaican culture. So I just want to say to the people who are not interested in my pudding, I want to talk about Akeem Smith No Gal Test. It's an exhibition that's taking place in New York City, and will be going all over the USA for now, and then to Europe. So Akeem Smith, big up yourself, No Gal Test. I am actually on a billboard in Times Square, guys. Yes, I want to thank Akeem, and for all the other dancehall personnel and personalities that he has showcased in the exhibition. You can all go to it and look at the exhibition. It's titled No Gal Test, because that was part of dancehall when you stepped in dancehall in the late 80s, early 90s. So Akeem Smith, I want to big you up, my little punchy bunchy. All right, so go to you can see it on my website, on my page, on my Instagram page, No Gal Test. It's an exhibition done on dancehall, on Jamaican culture, Jamaica dancehall people and culture, which is awesome. He captured it from the authenticness of it. Is he captured the beginning, the real people who represented in dancehall in the 80s, 90s, who a lot of them has not gotten their recognition that they truly deserve, and has worked to get dancehall to where it is. So I want to big up Akil Smith. Alright, I'm gonna go again. I am at work, getting busy, and actually I'm gonna go bake. So I have orders for tomorrow for my sweet potato pudding, so you can order yours now. So bye. Let me show you. You should smell it, guys. Oh my gosh. Alright, so it's bye. Bye.